How to integrate LiveChat with OneCRM. OneCRM LiveChat integration helps you grow your leads and contacts straight from the chat. What's more, the integration allows you to display your customers' details straight during a conversation. Check out our tutorial and see how easy it is. 1. To integrate LiveChat with OneCRM, log into your OneCRM admin account. Now, go to the admin section. 2. Choose company information from the list of available settings. 3. Scroll down to the website chat integration section. There, choose LiveChat Incorporated from the list of available chat systems. 4. Provide your LiveChat's email address and API key. After that, choose what to do when your visitor is not yet added to your OneCRM and to what object OneCRM will assign your visitor. To continue, click on Check Settings. Click here to get your LiveChat API key. 5. If your email and API key are correct, OneCRM will automatically check if you have previously installed the integration. If not, you will see a pop-up with Fix OneCRM Webhooks button. Click on it to proceed. 6. To finalize, click on Save button, available at the top of your company information section. Done. The integration is now ready, and you can start using its benefits right away. From now on, every time someone will provide an email in the pre-chat survey, you will automatically know if he is already your lead or contact. And if he's not, LiveChat will automatically create a new record in your OneCRM. It's that easy.